Hello everyone, this is Isratmaria. Welcome to my new blog. And আজকের ব্লগটা অনেক বেশি স্পেশাল. Today's blog is very special because in my career I have faced a lot of challenges, and I like to take challenges. So last 7 years I'm in this makeup industry, and I was doing almost 2000 plus clients in my whole career. So now I will share with you one different vlog, like the story of behind the blog is how I do this makeups for my clients. And the challenges it was Newark to New Jersey in this really bad weather. So you can see that it's very bad weather that day in New York. It's very rainy weather. So at night my client, she came to pick me up, and I'm going to New Jersey with her. And then we reached to hotel, and you can see all my luggage, 2 luggage I was carrying actually. So I was going there. We were having dinner in the hotel, and after that actually we were going for some night food and we were actually enjoying before the wedding night. And it's her friend, she's feeding her cake for the wedding. She's actually from Arabic country. And in the morning, it's a morning also rainy day, I woke up and I was thinking, I hope God help me for doing all this makeup beautifully for my 2 clients today. So first I was doing her makeup. She was my model in my 2021 New York workshop. From that day we were decided that I will do her makeup in her wedding. So we both are very excited, and we are actually like a friend, and I love her like a sister. So we were just talking, and you can see I'm very exhausted. And one of my students, she came to help me and assisting me. So I was also talking with her about my whole journey. And then we were doing her base makeup. So she wanted a very Indian look because her in-laws family are Indian. So she was wanted to very natural look for her wedding, not very cakey, not very heavy look, because you know what, Indian tradition, they don't like very cakey and heavy makeup. But still I was doing the full coverage makeup for her, but it was not looking cakey. And we were actually talking about the timing. So this is the first base I did for her. She can see that her base is very beautiful and very flawless. In the meantime, we had our breakfast, and then now I'm going to another bride. She's waiting for my arrival there because she has also wedding today. And almost I have done her base, and my hair was done by another student. So this is the final look for her. She was like Pakistani style, and the other one is Indian style. So this is the 2 looks that day I did for my 2 clients. One is Indian and one is Pakistani. And it was quite challenging for me to do 2 makeup in one day in 2 different places, like 1 hour or mostly 2 hours far from each other place. Then I attended the wedding for her. I got ready in the washroom within 10 minutes, and I enjoyed her dancing and everything. And may Allah bless her, because she was very happy. And yeah, this is it, and this is my journey for this vlog. So hope you like my vlog. See you again. Bye bye.